Welcome to Maths, Lesson 44, Percentages. Percent shows a fraction out of 100. Percentage is how many out of 100. Converting fractions to a percentage is just like simplifying fractions. When you simplify a fraction, you make it as small as you can. When you change a fraction to a percentage, you must make the denominator into 100. How do you change the denominator that's 10 into a denominator of 100? Remember the rules for simplifying. When you change a fraction, you must do the same to the top and the bottom. The only operations you can do are divide or multiply. So, to change the denominator of 3/10 into 100, you will multiply by 10. 10 times 10 equals 100. So multiplying the denominator by 10 gives you 100. If we have multiplied the bottom by 10, then we must also multiply the top by 10. 3 times 10 equals 30. So 3/10 is the same as 30 over 100. 30 over 100. Remember, percentage means out of 100. As a percentage, this will be 30%. So 3/10 equals 30%. Let's try another one. 7 over 20. What do you do to make 20 into 100? You can multiply or divide. You need to convert 20 into 100. Twenty times 5 equals 100. To change your denominator into 100, you are going to multiply by 5. Remember to multiply your numerator by 5 as well. So 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. You've done the same to the top and the bottom. Multiplied both by 5. And now you have a fraction that is out of 100. Seven over 20 equals 35%. 35 out of 100. How about 4/25? The first thing you need to do is convert your denominator into 100. What will you do to 25 to change it to 100? You will multiply by 4. 25 multiplied by 4 equals 100. What's next? You've multiplied the bottom by 4, so now you need to multiply the top by 4 as well. Four times 4 equals 16. 16 over 100. So 4/25 equals 16%. Stop the video and go to test 44A. Don't forget to come back to me when you have completed it. To find 30% of 200 milliliters, you need to think about 30% as a fraction. 30% as a fraction is 30 over 100. 30 over 100 of 200 milliliters. Divide 200 by the denominator. Then multiply that by the numerator. So, we will divide 200 by the denominator. The denominator is 100. 200 divided by 100. That's 2. Now we need to multiply this by the numerator. The numerator is the number on top, 30. 2 multiplied by 30 equals 60. So 60 will be your answer. 30% of 200 milliliters equals 60 milliliters. Let's try another one. 5% of 80 grams. That's the same as 5 over 100 of 80 grams. Divide by the denominator, then multiply by the numerator. Divide 80 by 100. 80 divided by 100 equals 0.8. Now you are going to multiply that by the numerator. (0.8) multiplied by 5 equals 4. Five percent of 80 grams equals 4 grams. Shall we try another? 10% of 400 kilograms. 10%. That's 10 over 100. Divide by the denominator and multiply by the numerator. (400) divided by the denominator, that's 100, equals 4. 4 multiplied by the numerator, that's 10, equals 40. So 10% of 400 kilograms equals 40 kilograms. Remember, percentage means out of 100. Divide by the denominator, then multiply by the numerator. You are ready to take your maths test. Go to Maths, Test 44. Good luck!